Happy Saturday, you guys. I am hard at work. We just opened up our second office and we were so fortunate enough to have it in the same building that we're in now. So we are going to use the second office as a nursing office, skills lab, onboarding, orientation, meetings, what have you. You all have seen the original office in here. This is where the office team sits. We have two Jennifers. They both sit in there. They do scheduling and coordination. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I want to show you the new office space. And here we go. So we have our own little hallway and we have two offices. All right. So the original one is right here and we have this beautiful wreath that Jennifer made. She's our director and she worked really hard on this and I think it's awesome. And then we have a welcome sign in between two welcome mats. They are different, but that's because the offices are different. So I thought this one was really cute. Had a little wreath. I definitely need a wreath for this door. So I'm sure Jen will be working on that. All right, let's go in. I'm going to show you when you first walk in what you see. Let me back up so you can see it. So this is a cabinet, and what we have up here are our binders for all the state regulations. We always have to keep them in the office. It's part of the law. And we have homemade body scrubs that we hand out to some of the caregivers when they come and visit. Jennifer made those as well. We won this Senior Care Family Feud Champion trophy. And this is just some organizational space. There's no place like home. We keep some water bottles here. We have a full kitchen, but sometimes people like to take them for the road. So we always have that. We have some seltzer in there, more storage. And then in this spot, so here's the door to our hallway. So I have this beautiful brass table with birds and branches because the program that I created is called Branches of Care. Where we have caregivers that work with specific diagnosis. So one branch of care is for dementia. Another branch of care is for post-acute. So hip fractures, ortho things, knee replacements. We have another branch that works with Parkinson's, so on and so forth. So those caregivers that work within that program are specific diagnosis. So they take care of those types of clients. And then look at this, how cool. This is an oil canvas painting of two birds on the branch of care. So our logo has two leaves on it and the two leaves signify the caregiver and the client. And I just thought this, I don't know, I absolutely loved it. It reminded me so much of the caregiver and their client on the branch of care. I love it. Okay, so let's start off here. I'll give you a full, okay. This desk over here and file cabinet is going to be for Christine. Now, Christine is a registered nurse and she also does marketing. So she is going to be starting in a week. She is the director or field nurse supervisor, I've made her. So she's going to do some nursing visits, see the clients for me, and she's also going to do some marketing. So that is amazing. I've known her for years. We've worked together in another job, and we've just stayed connected all these years. So I snatched her up, guys. You'll meet her very soon. This is my desk. I want to show you some of the goodies that I have. I love little homes because, of course, we do home care, so they light up. This one's a little fairy gnome house. This is my blotter. This is a mug that Jennifer got me. Is that the cutest thing? She got me that. This was the fam when we opened up. This was our ribbon cutting ceremony photo. My business cards. The Art of War. If you guys never read that book, I suggest it highly, especially if you run a business. It's amazing. Or a family. It's great to have that knowledge. It's cool. Hello, beautiful. Desk supplies. This was given to me years ago by a colleague that I worked with because we used to talk about zen and peacefulness and mind-body connection. So he gave me that a long time ago, and I've kept it ever since. A yummy scent that I spray in the room periodically. Another bird with a branch, signifying our branches of care. How cute is this little guy? I love him. Little Molly and Oreo, both up in heaven. I miss them terribly. Paisley, Jess and I, and another family picture when they took me to the trampoline park for Mother's Day many years ago. My bulletin board, which needs some stuff. Brittany made me this beautiful picture, and Happy Bosses Day came from Jennifer. She also got me that. Bless our nest. And then I found these, and I put command hooks on them. It's just a mirror, and these are separate that I found at Home Goods, and my little birds. Look how cute. It just adds something to this wall. Now, this area over here is when we do some caregiver, when they come in and they want to fill out an application to work for us. There's the application. We have onboarding packets. This is the exam that I give them to take, and more onboarding paperwork that they have to do. So this wall, excuse the garbage, because the people that work in the building have to come pick that up. But we have a blank canvas. So what I did was I ordered, and I am waiting for it to come in. I ordered a mural that's like a peel and stick of a tree. And it has all different leaves on it. And I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. I have to see what it looks like. But I want to make this the Wall of Fame. So Caregiver of the Year and Caregivers of the Month, we're going to make probably like a mixed tile theme. Because I like to acknowledge and validate them. If it's so important. So here's a rug that I just put down. I don't know. I like a rug. It grounds the space. So here's office number 2, you guys. What do you think? I'm in love. Let me know. This bulletin board, I'm going to get one for Christine. It's on its way from Amazon, but I didn't want it delivered to the building over the weekend because it's closed. So it will be coming next week. And then she could do whatever she wants in her space. Of course, I'll get her a calendar and a blotter. She'll have her monitor. I also got her a cell phone and a laptop so she can take those things out on the road with her. And yeah, I love the space. It came out so nice. And we're still not even done, but I wanted to show you. All right, guys, that's the second office. So of course I'm super excited, and I'm just so blessed and proud of how far we've come in a year and a half. This is our second office space. 2025 is going to bring us to another location. So we have 2 offices here, and we will have like a 3rd freestanding office. And also some more big plans. I don't know if you have followed me for a long time, but if you have, last summer, I believe, I showed you a beautiful office building space. So I have been thinking of ways that are so outside the box. I have something big coming, big, and I can't wait to share it with you. So, lots of good stuff, guys, and we are taking care of so many people. So grateful for that opportunity. It is an absolute calling and a pleasure, and I'm honored to do it along with my team. They're just all amazing. I love them all so much. So with that being said, have a good night. Thank you for stopping by the nest, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Have a great night, guys.